back to another video with the real Loverlee, and in today's video is going to be really short. I'm just doing a little like unboxing for my DIY balloon mosaic kit. And in this box, this is the smallest box and it holds up to 3, but for right now it's 2 that's going out today. This is a number 6 and a 0 for 60th birthday. So in the box you have the guidelines. These are instructions on how to put the mosaic together, and these are the frames. They're cut out as accurately as possible. These are the back supports for the base of the mosaic, and this is how the numbers look. They're cut so they can easily fit in a box, so I like cut them so I could fold them easily to place them in the box. So this is the number 0, and also it comes with the strips. These strips are for the lines, for whenever it's time to put it together. You just glue this glue these strips on the lines so it'll be straight again. It's pretty easy. And all of these frames are labeled from A to Z, depending on how many it is. So all of the frames are labeled A to Z. The strips are labeled 1 to 9. And as I said, the strips are for the lines for the frame. And then you have the base. These are the bases for the bottom. And then all you have to do is attach these back supports to the base. It's pretty easy to put together. All the instructions are on the guideline paper, and as always you can watch my tutorials here on YouTube to see how to put it together. But it's pretty easy. Everyone who have bought the kits always say that they didn't have any problems putting it together. So that is all that comes in the kit. This is the number 6. And as I said, you just take the strips and glue them along the line. Use your hot glue gun to glue it along the lines, and then it'll be straight again. And that is all for the kits. These, I only ship out 3 feet kits now because the 6 feet, the 5 feet kits, they're too expensive to ship, and I don't want to charge too much for them, so I just stick with only shipping out 3 feet kits. So that is all that is in the box. I will link all of my information down below if you would like to order, but some people wanted to know how the kits come, and I was trying to explain them, but I feel like it was better to make a video to show them exactly how the kits look. So all of the pieces are cut out, the frames, and they're labeled, so you'll know exactly where to glue them. I use pencil to label them so you could erase them easily. I didn't want to like put a sticker label and it'll be hard to come out, but I use pencil to label them so it'll be easier to erase once you're finished putting it together. But that is all for this video. As I said, it was going to be really short. I just wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys, and now I'm about to finish putting these kits together so USPS can come and pick them up. But as always, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next video. I'm working on Christmas trees and gingerbread man and woman for the balloon mosaics that I have coming, and I'm gonna start uploading those in December since it's Christmas in December, so I'm gonna start uploading those in December. I was trying to do Vlogmas, but I don't want to make any promises that I can't keep, so I'm just gonna stick with uploading whenever I can. So yeah, I'm not doing Vlogmas, but I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.